Hello, Damien. Nice to see you. How are you?
Hello, fine, thank you. And you?
Very good, thanks. Would you like to introduce yourself a little bit? Maybe where you're from, what you do in life?
Yes, I live in France. I work at the hospital as a psychometrician. I don't know if there is something like that in English. And basically, I use a lot of techniques from Tai Chi or Qigong to with some people to have some re-education at the hospital.
To help them recover, no, the movements.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, very interesting. Even in the Tai Chi concept. Wow, that's
Yes.
quite interesting. And the French government recognize Tai Chi as a movement, as a process of recovery, or it is you that you have to
Not specifically Tai Chi, but a lot of doctors or person like me use some techniques and try to make them useful in their work.
Okay, very good. And the usual question, which level of Qigong are you practicing at the moment?
Uh, which um, which level I'm in the 5 to 6 of the ancient method.
All the
I,
old system.
yes, old system. Yes, excuse me.
No, don't worry, it's okay.
Yes, the breathing technique.
OTSC, okay. And before practicing Qigong, did you practice other Qigong or energy practice? If yes, what was your experience with them?
Yes, I in this field since maybe 20 years because when I was a teenager, I was in this kind of practice like magnetism or Reiki or something like that. I practiced Tai Chi and some Qigong the animals and other Qigong types since 10 years.
Okay,
And I also do Zen meditation, Buddhist Zen, since 12 years now on a daily basis.
so very well experienced in the field. And what improvements, benefits the Qigong has brought in your life?
Uh, I I think the technique give me a method, something very logical in the exercise because uh, on the internet or in with a lot of teacher we can have you can have a lot of exercise, but it tends to be confused because you have a lot of things and something to health, something to build your energy, something like that. And after that, you have a lot of exercise and not you don't have a real objective, a real goal to attain. And with the Nei Qigong, actually, there is a more essential, more. You have
Essential.
just a simple exercise, and the path is logical. And I think that improved my health because the first exercise, the first Qigong, I did it for 3 months, and I was okay, good, but not amazing at the first time for these 3 months. But after that, by practicing the other level or the other exercise, uh, you can practice this qigong, for example, uh, and I discovered something new because I have the feeling that the Yang Qi, for example, nourishing the first Qigong. And I discovered a new dimension of the first Qigong after that.
Okay,
So I have really the impression that in the whole system nourish the exercise and you can do it. And when I did it, the last month or another month, I feel really something. great to my health. A great feeling of comfort in my body. I was really relaxed. I feel the opening of the shoulder, of the back, something like that.
So mainly the benefits, improvements you're experiencing with Qigong are on the health level, physical level.
Yes, and it's with the in the late months, it was equally in my mind, because I told you one time I have a lot of thoughts during the practice, and now my mind is very calm.
Nice.
The
Nice.
things settle. It's like it was like that when I practice Zen a lot, but with time, a lot of time of practice was needed to achieve this calm of mind. And now with the exercise, in 5 minutes during the exercise, the mind is settled and very calm. And it's
Nice.
new because it's really fast.
Okay, very good. And how has been your experience in learning online with me? Was it difficult? Was the online experience problematic? Was it good? How was your experience?
For me, it's really good because it's simple. You listen what we need. I understand the exercise because you explain really well, and we have the PDF if we have some doubt, and you are always available if I have some question. Sometimes I have a doubt after 1 month of practice, and you answer me really fast, and I think this link is really important. I didn't always have this kind of link in other school or for qigong or something like that on the internet. Uh,
It's true. It's true because at the end of the day, an instructor is just an advanced practitioner, somebody who has worked a bit more in the path, which means
yes,
has gone through the same experiences that the new practitioner is going through. And as you know, I don't influence, I don't say anything about the result or what to expect, no? But in this way, I feel that students can find out for themselves with the help of a teacher. They can verify the sensations, and so it's independent, mature, and it's practical and real. Sometimes when we go just with books or videos, or we buy a video course,
yes, we
there's
have
nobody to talk.
too much information. Yes,
Yeah,
we have a lot of information, a lot of theory, and so in practice, the mind is always thinking of oh, it's like that. Oh, it's
yeah,
related
it's
to
true, it's
that, and
true.
yes, but
It's true.
it was disturbing at the first time because my mind was like that. I was waiting to more explanation. To okay, this exercise is related to qi or to
You,
qing.
you are in the wrong place because in the
Yeah.
school we are super practical.
But it's now
There's no intellectual explanation here.
yes, now I think it's really fine. It's really good.
Good.
It's more simple, and we have to keep that in mind.
Yeah. Would you feel to suggest the Qigong to others? If yes, why?
Yes, because of the efficiency of the practice, and the simple aspect of the path, because we have, like I said
The
earlier,
structure.
yes, we have you have a good structure and very simple, and you begin to know, okay, they know what they do, and they know what they want you to do, to go here and to go here and to go there. And
Mhm.
actually, I know other Neigong school, and generally I think it's confusing, and Nei Qigong is very clear in comparison.
Okay, very good.
It's
Well, I really thank you for this time together, Damien. I hope that this sharing could be helpful for other people as well. And I'll see you soon for the next practice or whatever it is needed. Okay.
Okay. Thank you
Bye.
very much. Bye.